My name is Emmanuel Verde, and I'm going to be showing you the tools that I learned in Bluebeam. So first I'm going to go ahead and open up my files, my house plan right here. And for example, I'm going to go ahead and use this bedroom. So from previous editing, I've had the square footage already attached to it, but it's not exact. And with the new tool, I think we'll be able to get a closer measurement. So this new tool that I found to be useful, it's under Tools, under Measure, all the way down, called Dynamic Fill. So what's pretty interesting about this Dynamic Fill is that it allows you to find the area or perimeter of things a whole lot quicker. And for example, what we're going to do for this bedroom is we're going to go ahead and find the area of this bedroom. We're going to go ahead and click the boundary tool. I'm going to come right here to these little settings. I'm going to bring this all the way down. Edge sensitivity, I'm going to change it to low. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that. And I'm going to pick that back up. And so I want to block off this door just so that it only fills this area of the room and right here. So now we're going to go back to the pink bucket looking icon, and then we're going to go ahead and fill this room. So you just click, start swiping away, and hold down your button. You go ahead and let go. Notice how the green doesn't go past that line right there. So what I want to do now is I want to find the area. So in order to find the area, I'm going to click on this area measurement right here. I'm going to click apply, and it's not calibrated yet, so I'm going to go ahead and input a custom or a preset one. And for this drawing, it's 1/8 equals 1 foot. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that, and then that's the square footage of this whole room right here, 167.53 square feet. And that pretty much summarizes my my new tool. Thank you.